Hey everyone, and Greg here from Carid.com, and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I want to showcase a wheel brand that you may not be aware of. Now, the name Rennen International may not ring a bell, but if you bought a set of custom wheels over the last 10 years or so, chances are you're familiar with their products. A little bit confused? Well, for more than a decade, Rennen International has been using their world-class wheel-making expertise to manufacture wheels for many of the most well-known brands in the industry. So a wheel brand that you do recognize and maybe even had on your car or truck may have in fact been designed and built by Rennen. But Rennen doesn't just make wheels for other labels. They also offer a full line of their own wheels under the Rennen brand, as well as several other in-house brands including Donz and Onyx. And once you know the Rennen story and see their wheel collection, we think you're going to want to set on your own ride. Now, founded in 2002, Rennen International has become one of the industry's foremost wheel designers and manufacturers. Their success was acknowledged by Incorporated 5000 in 2009 and 2010 when they were chosen as the top 500 fastest growing companies in the United States. Rennen's accomplishments are due in part to what the company says is their ability to constantly reinvent the wheel to stay ahead of their competition. And they've got the pioneering achievements to prove it, including the first to do two-piece construction using no outer lips and only centers, one of the first companies ever to build concave wheels, and one of the leaders in stainless steel wheel lips. Now, to maintain their level of excellence in artistic creation, engineering, and production, Rennen relies on the extensive expertise of their staff and engineers, many who have been in the wheel business for over 25 years, and of course their state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Now, Rennen makes cast, flow-form wheels, monoblock, and multi-piece forged wheels in fitments and styles for performance and luxury cars and for every budget. Their forged wheel plant is one of the most technologically advanced facilities in the industry. Now, located in Los Angeles, California, at the epicenter of custom wheel industry, every facet of wheel manufacturing happens there. From design and engineering to CNC program machining to multi-piece wheel assembly. Now, every forged monoblock wheel and forged multi-piece center disc starts with a grade of 6061 T6 build aluminum that is then forced into shape with a 10,000-ton forcing press. Three-piece rim halves are created by CNC spinning 6061 aluminum alloy, and after machining, all of that finishing and multi-piece wheels are hand-assembled. Rennen's forged wheel lineup includes Rennen Forged, lightweight one-piece and multi-piece wheels that are available in several series with an extensive choice of styles, finishes, concavity, and lip shapes with high-performance aggressive styling and designs. For the ultimate in luxury, you can't do any better than Donz Forged. These custom-built multi-piece wheels are available in 18 to 30-inch diameters and widths up to 15 inches. And of course, they're also offered in a variety of finishes and paint schemes. And if you're looking for wheels that are as tough as your 4x4, Onyx Off-Road are 25% stronger and at the same time much lighter than cast wheels. They're available in 20, 22, and 24-inch diameters and in widths from 9 to 14 inches in a multitude of styles in matte, gloss black, and with bright white barrels and multicolored spokes. Now, cast alloy wheels provide high strength and reasonable weight at an affordable price. Rennen's low-pressure casting system creates a wheel with densely packed material, and during the casting process, grain structure and phase transformation are optimized for maximum strength. Rennen's CSL and CRL cast wheel series come in styles inspired by Rennen's forged wheels, and many are available with removable stainless steel lips that allow you to change up the style of your rims and easily repair curb rash. Donz Signature Series rims provide the look of premium forged wheels at affordable cast wheel prices. And the Onyx Off-Road collection also includes chrome, matte black, black machined, and custom milled wheels with select styles available with even simulated beadlocks. And if you're looking for high strength and lightweight with affordability, Rennen's Flow-Tech wheels deliver. Now, in the flow forming process, a cast wheel is heated and spun while rollers apply great pressure to the barrel, mechanically elongating the barrel to the desired width, while at the same exact time changing the mechanical properties and grain structure of the cast rim, which increases strength and stiffness and reduces weight. Well, everyone, that's going to wrap up my review today of Rennen International's line of custom wheels. Now, no matter what you drive, Rennen has wheels in the style and performance and fitment that are right for your machine. So head over to Carid.com right now and check out the Rennen collection. And as always, I'm Greg from Carid.com, and I'll see you guys next time.